Hello dear students, in this video I am going to talk about electrochemical cell notation for the electrochemical cell and function of salt bridge. These topics are from the chapter electrochemistry. Electrochemical cell. Students, electrochemical cell also known as galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Electrochemical cell is defined as device in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So students, electrochemical cells are of many types, but in the syllabus we have Daniell cell, in which zinc electrode is coupled with the copper electrode. Zinc rod which is kept in the zinc sulfate solution, zinc solid which is kept in the zinc sulfate solution, and it is connected with the copper electrode. The copper rod is kept immersed in the copper sulfate solution. These two are connected through the wire. This is copper solid, zinc solid which is kept in the zinc sulfate solution, ZnSO4 aqueous. Copper rod is immersed in the copper sulfate solution. Students, here what is the reaction taking place on the left side container is zinc atoms which are present on the zinc rod. They will loses the electrons and they will convert into the Zn2 plus aqueous. Zinc has a natural tendency of undergoing oxidation process. Oxidation will occur, so this we have to call it as an anode. The electrode at which oxidation takes place, we have to call it as an anode. On the other hand, so whatever the electrons lost by the zinc, they will accumulate on the zinc rod, which will attains the negative charge to the electrode. Oxidation occurs at a zinc electrode, so we have to call it as anode. Anode is an electrode at which oxidation takes place. Loss of electrons is oxidation. Then there is an accumulation of electrons takes place because electrolytic solution will offer some resistance. Electrons cannot enter into the electrolytic solution. This reaction, off cell reaction, which occurs only on the surface of the metal rod. So because of accumulation of electrons, zinc rod will attain negative charge. These electrons will flow through the external circuit, and here the solution of a CuSO4 contains Cu2 plus ions. The positively charged ions will attain a positive charge to the pole, that is to the copper electrode. Then these will take the electrons through the external circuit. Electron flow will occur through the external circuit through the wire from the anode to the cathode. Then here Cu2 plus ions which are ready to take the electrons will attain a positive charge to the pole, and reduction takes place. Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives rise to Cu solid. The electrode at which reduction takes place, gain of electrons is reduction. The electrode at which a reduction takes place, we have to call this as cathode. Here charge on the anode is negative because the zinc neutral zinc atoms which will loses the electrons, they will accumulate on the surface of the zinc rod, which will attains negative charge to the electrode. Oxidation taking place on the zinc electrode, so we have to call it as anode. Reduction takes place at a copper electrode, then we have to call it as a cathode. But the charge on the cathode, it is positive because Cu2 plus ions which are ready to take the electrons from the external circuit will attain the positive charge to the electrode. So students, as the time progresses, what happens? Zinc rod thickness will decreases, it will dissolve in the solution in the form of the Zn2 plus. As the time progresses, the copper rod, copper electrode, it will increases because of deposition of copper on the copper rod. Cu2 plus ions which are present in the solution, they will get deposited on this, so it will, the thickness of the copper rod will increases, thickness of the zinc rod will decreases. So with the time, what happens here? Accumulation of Zn2 plus ions will takes place, because zinc neutral atoms also they are converting into Zn2 plus. Here accumulation of negative charge will takes place, so no current will flows. To maintain electroneutrality of the cell, we are using one equipment which is called as a salt bridge. Inverted glass tube which is filled with the organic substance agar, which is filled with the organic substance agar and some strong electrolyte like KCl or KNO3. This is organic substance agar plus KCl3 like strong electrolyte, KCl or KNO3 like a strong electrolyte. So which is to this, two porous plugs are fitted. It will does not allow to mix these two solutions. It won't allow to mix these two solutions. It will allows only flow of electrons. Cations will flow in this direction, anions will flow in the opposite direction. Right side container to the left side containers, anions will flow and cations will flow from the left side container to right side container. Students, so this salt bridge is essential for this cell, that is electrochemical cell. So let us write the observations in the electrochemical cell now. Electrode at which zinc electrode at which oxidation takes place is called as anode. Copper electrode at which reduction takes place, is called as cathode. Accumulation of electrons on zinc rod attains negative charge to the pole. Cu2 plus ions present on copper rod attains positive charge to the pole. With the time thickness of zinc rod decreases, thickness of zinc rod decreases, copper rod increases. With the time, thickness of the zinc rod decreases, copper rod increases. Cations will flow from right container to cations will flow from left container to right container, left container to right container, and anions will flow in opposite direction, that is right container to left container, that is through salt bridge. Electrons will flow through external circuit from anode to cathode. Students, observations in the Daniell cell is zinc electrode at which oxidation takes place is called as anode. The electrode at which oxidation takes place, we have to call it as anode. Zinc atoms, neutral atoms which are present in the zinc rod, they will loses the electrons, they will dissolve in the form of Zn2+. Copper electrode at which a reduction takes place, in the right side container, Cu2+ aqueous ions will gain the electrons to convert into neutral copper. Copper electrode at which reduction takes place is called as cathode. Accumulation of electrons on the zinc rod attains negative charge to the pole. We know on the left side container, neutral zinc atoms will loses the electrons, but electrons will accumulate on the surface of the zinc rod only, because the electrolytic solution will offer some resistance. Electron cannot enter into the electrolytic solution. Cu2+ ions present on the Cu rod attains positive charge to the pole. With the time, thickness of zinc rod decreases, copper rod will increases. Cations will flow from left container to right container, and anions will flow in opposite direction, that is from the right side container to left side container through salt bridge. Electrons will flow through external circuit from anode to the cathode. So students, one more observation is there, that and we will discuss about the importance of the salt bridge in the electrochemical cell and representation of the electrochemical cell or the cell notation. Students, 8th point is current will flows till E external is lesser than E cell. Electromotive force, some opposing potential will be there. Opposing potential is less than the electromotive force of the cell, E cell, then current will flows. After some time, E external becomes equal to E cell, then cell is said to be achieved equilibrium. by increasing E external, current will flow in opposite direction. Current will flow in opposite direction. Students, that means we need to recharge the cell by applying some external source. External electric field is connected with the cell. Then what happens? The E external is greater than the E cell. Then current will flow in the opposite direction. Then electrochemical cell acts like a electrolytic cell. Now let us discuss about the function of salt bridge. Function of salt bridge. It is inverted U-tube made with glass, filled with organic substance, agar and strong electrolyte like KCl or KNO3. Why these strong electrolytes are used is because mobility of K plus is same as Cl minus. Mobility of K plus is same as NO3 minus. And made into paste. Two porous plugs are fitted. To both the ends. It will allows only flow of ions. Does not allow to mix the solutions. Students, the important function of the salt bridge is it will helps in maintaining electroneutrality of the cell. Helps in maintaining electroneutrality of the cell. This is a main important function. Inner circuit is completed by salt bridge. Outer circuit is completed by metallic wire. Inner circuit is completed by salt bridge. Students, let us discuss about the cell notation now. Cell notation. Students, short form representation of electrochemical cell can be done by this method. Cell notation is short form representation of the electrochemical cell. That is anode electrode slash anode electrolyte. If it is a molten, we can write it as simply molten. If it is aqueous, then the concentration also written C1 molar / cathode electrolyte, its concentration is C2 molar / cathode electrode, cathode electrode. This is a general representation of the galvanic cell or electrochemical cell or voltaic cell. If it is a Daniell cell, then anode is zinc solid / anode electrolyte is Zn2 plus aqueous. Let us assume it is concentration is some 0.1 molar concentration, we can write here. Double slash indicates a salt bridge. Cathode electrolyte is Cu2 plus aqueous. Concentration, let us assume this is 0.01 molar, and cathode electrode is copper solid. This is a general representation, cell notation it is called as, right? So we can easily convert given cell notation into equation. Then after that we need to do the calculations. Students, this is about the electrochemical cell. Thanks for watching.